got some AliExpress unboxing to do. These are nice when your motherboard doesn't have a 3-pin connector to control the RGB. Got 4 of these. We got a vertical mount, a white vertical mount, some paddings, some screws, and the bracket. This will go well in a future build. We've got some Wi-Fi card, PCIe Wi-Fi card, much better than a USB Wi-Fi dongle. So we got, I believe we got 2 of these. Yes, another one here. To test used power supplies. PCU extension cable. In this light blue color. That's gonna go well with the Squirtle build I'm gonna be doing in the future. This is gonna go well. So usually these PCU extension cables comes in this transparent color. That's why I'm buying a lot of these black ones. It looks much better than these transparent ones. This is a Ryzen 5 5500. Seems like in very good condition. Looks brand new from AliExpress. Through the plastic I see no bent pins. I bought 3 of these. Other ones in here. Also in good condition. Here we got some M.2 SSDs from Crucial that I bought from AliExpress. I bought 4 of these M.2 SSDs on Black Friday sale on AliExpress. And lastly, I bought a used. This is not from AliExpress. This is something about used 500 gigabytes hard drive to put in a pre-built PC that I'm gonna sell. This is just a Acer pre-built PC that I got for free with a GTX 1070 and a i5 11400F. It only had a 500 M.2 SSD, so I added another 500 HDD. And for the rest of the things, I don't have a place to store them, so I bought this plastic shelf that I'm gonna put everything on. Here's the finished product of our plastic shelf. We got some power supply, some PCU extensions, USB Wi-Fi dongle, Wi-Fi card, some RAM, graphics card, also a graphics card in here. We got some CPUs, Ryzen 5 5500, 3 of them. We got some Type C, USB to Type C adapter, some Funko Pops, some Funko Pops for future build. We got some M.2 SSD, 4 of them, crucial. 4 of these ARGB controller. I actually removed this cap so I can insert and remove the leg of my tripod lamp, so I could stick it in here, and now it's shining down to the workstation bench. We got a test monitor that's standing on a protein powder box, sturdy. Plush, and a speaker to listen to some music. I'm gonna test out one of these Ryzen 5 5500 from AliExpress. I already have one down here. Locking in. I'll place this cooler on top. I'm just gonna have it loose on top. Just gonna test it out. And there we go. Ryzen 5 5500 working. Before testing the CPUs, I packed and shipped this PC. It's a Deadpool themed PC that I sold for a profit of $150. So this is the current state of my room. It looks like a storage unit. A lot of packages from Black Friday, and I have no place to store them again. So I'm going to make a wooden shelf with some leftover wooden planks that I had laying around. So we can unbox more packages and put the things somewhere else than the ground. I didn't record everything because it was quite messy and I wanted to make it quick. But I did some more unboxing and placed the product on the wooden shelf together with some personal stuff. that is currently looking like this, filled with PC case, CPU coolers, RGB fans, and some liquid cooler as well. We also have PCU extension cables, and also I bought some USB Wi-Fi with antennas, and 4 Ryzen 5 3600 CPUs from AliExpress. As you saw, I have many components that are going into PC flips, so please like and subscribe to see these future PC builds.